In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication on WordPress.com. This tutorial is designed specifically for beginners, so you can follow along even if you're setting this up for the first time. Two-factor authentication is a great way to enhance the security of your WordPress account, adding an extra layer of protection beyond just your password. So let's get started and go through these steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is your command center on WordPress, where you can access all the features and customize your site to your liking. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the sidebar where you'll find the Plugins option. Go ahead and click on that to open up the Plugins management area. In the Plugins page, find and click on Add New. This will take you to the Plugins repository where you can find various tools to enhance your WordPress site. In the search box that appears, type WP2FA. This plugin is specifically designed to add two-factor authentication to your WordPress site, ensuring your site's security is up to par. Once the search results populate, look for WP2FA, two-factor authentication for WordPress. You'll want to select this plugin as it's tailored for our purpose today. After clicking on it, you'll see an Install Now button. Click it to begin adding the plugin to your site. Installation should only take a few moments. After the installation is complete, an Activate button will appear. Clicking on this will ensure that the plugin is not just installed but also running and ready for use. As soon as you activate the plugin, a setup wizard will automatically appear to help guide you through the initial configuration process. With the setup wizard open, you'll want to click Let's Get Started to initiate the configuration process. Follow the prompts and click Continue Setup as needed. This will guide you through the necessary steps to finish configuring the plugin. When prompted, click on All Done to complete the initial setup. Now it's time to configure two-factor authentication specifically. Click on Configure 2FA Now. In the following window, you'll see an option for One-Time Code via 2FA app. Select this, then click on Next Step. You'll need to have a 2FA app, like Google Authenticator, available on your smartphone. Using your app, scan the QR code that appears on your screen. Once you do that, you'll be prompted with a message saying, I'm ready. Click on it, and then open Google Authenticator to retrieve the one-time code generated for your WordPress site. Type this code into the designated box in your WordPress setup wizard. Finally, hit Validate and Save to confirm and save your settings. And there you have it. You've successfully set up two-factor authentication on your WordPress site, giving you an extra layer of protection. This will help keep your content secure and provide peace of mind as you navigate the digital world. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe online.